RPI Athwale National Secretary Maheshwar Thangnaugjam has questioned whether Centre will take full responsibility for any untoward incidents if the intel input about infiltration of 900 Kuki militants turns out to be correct. Maheshwar Thangnaugjam was speaking to media after attending an annual conclave 2024 for Delhi-based Automotive Skills Development Council at Hotel Hyatt Regency, New Delhi. Speaking further, Maheshwar Thangnaugjam said the terrorist attack in Mumbai was carried out by 4 to 5 terrorists who came from Pakistan. But in case of Manipur, it is 900 Kuki militants from Myanmar. Instead of arguing on the veracity of the intel report, government should consider this as a serious threat to the nation. Will Centre take full responsibility if the intel report turns out to be factually correct and isn't any untoward incidents happened due to this? Maheshwar Thangnaugjam further maintained that people in Manipur are really unhappy with the way Centre has handled the violent conflict in Manipur, which has continued for over 16 months. He also questioned the silence of leaders in Delhi.
ये 900 मिलिटेंट्स आने का खबर मिल रहा है, ये अफवाह भी हो सकता है, it may be rumor, but as we have seen that chief security advisor have done a press conference, that means something is going on, something is going कि ये आ सकता है, ये आने का कुछ खबर भी हो सकता है. That means we really urge to the Indian government कि इसको हल्का ना लिया जाए, क्योंकि ऐसा हम लोग को ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है कि मणिपुर को एक सेकेंड क्लास सिटीजन, एक थर्ड क्लास सिटीजन की तरह इंडियन गवर्नमेंट समझ रहा है क्या, डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री समझ रहा है क्या. वी आर जस्ट थिंकिंग अभी टाइम नहीं है, because they are using the weapon like the missile, they are using the weapon like the drone bombing. So this is not only a threat to the Manipur, this is a threat to all over the nation. If the 900 Kuki militants are entering into India to Manipur to kill the civilians, that means अभी तक 1.5 years हो चुका है, अभी तक कठोर डिसीजन, कठोर स्टेप उन लोग को भगाने में, दबाने में, उन लोग को पकड़ने में नहीं लिया गया, तो कब लिया जाएगा?